Okay. So this is a Argus C3 that I have. Very interesting camera design. How to clock the shutter is through this one. Okay, so this is a shutter speed. Interesting. The focus is through here. I will actually show you a YouTube link in my website on how to use the camera itself, because it's so unique that you need to look it up or something like that. But I will show some general features here lah. So first I show you the aesthetics. There is the front, one side, the other side, the top, and the bottom. So focus is here. Show you the glass a little bit. There's a bit of dust. Oh, sorry, I forgot to clamp on my light. Okay, let me put a light. Okay, so yeah, there's a glass. So to open this camera, it's a bit hard. I need to press it down. It's a very old school design. Okay. So we're gonna test the speeds. Let's do 300 first. Okay. So this is how you cock the shutter. You press like this. Okay. Let's do one. You need to see here it says like turn anti-clockwise. Yeah, turn anti-clockwise to change the shutter. So please follow, because we worry that it'll break or what. Okay, great. Okay, because my hand caught on the mechanism just now. Okay, so this was 100, now it's 50. 50. Okay. Now we're gonna do 25. Okay. Again, my hand was caught on it because. Okay, 25. Next is 10. Okay. Okay, 10. Then now it's 300 back. Okay, right, so it works. Specifically on how to use the camera, there will be a link and you can refer to the one there. I can show you how I loaded my film just now. Really. Okay. So there's a stopper here. What you need to do before you load is that you need to make sure that it's like 2 frames before 0. Okay, so this is like the first frame, and now it's actually like how to say, they lock it down. So how you advance is that you press here once, then you can turn. Okay, turn. Then you will pause. You see? Now it's like almost 1 frame before. Let's adjust it a little bit. Okay, then you press here again, then you advance again. Okay, so this is 0, so it sort of works like that. Then how you're gonna rewind is, I think, like this. Oh, I didn't rewind, you don't need to press anything because it doesn't stop it from moving on the other direction, so it's fine. Yep, take out. Yeah, so there you go. This is the Argus camera. Let me see if I can show the lens from the inside. There's no bulk mode on this one though, so very hard to open. Okay, I'm not sure if I'll damage the mechanism if I do this, but let's try. Okay. Oh, sorry. But yeah, there you go. That's the glass. And yeah, Argus C3. Very unique camera. Thanks.